வெல்கம் டு விஜேஎஸ் டெக்னோக்ராட்ஸ். நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது வந்துட்டு ஸ்கேலார் அண்ட் வெக்டார் பாயிண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன். வாட் ஆர் ஸ்கேலார் அண்ட் வெக்டார் பாயிண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் அண்ட் ஹேவ் சம் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸ்கேலார் அண்ட் வெக்டார் பாயிண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன். Okay, it's very easy and simple way concept to understand. Okay, scalar and vector point function. Now scalar point function we are going to see now. Scalar point function, if for every point there corresponds a scalar psi x y z, then psi x comma y comma z is called a scalar point function. Okay, if every point is corresponding to scalar point, the every given point is correspondent to that scalar, so that point is given to be called as a scalar point function. Okay, the points are we considered as x comma y comma z. Okay, so it's called a scalar point function. Okay, now this is the definition for scalar point function. Example: at each and every point in space, the temperature is scalar at each and every point. For given each and every point in a scalar function, the temperature we denoted as T is called a scalar. Therefore, so T is going to be considered as a temperature here, so such that T x comma y comma z is called a scalar point function. This denoted T is to be called as being denoting a temperature, so that T is to be denoted as in a scalar point function. The given point is x comma y comma z. We can be taken it as. Okay, now we are going to see next is in a vector point function. Vector point function is also very simple concept. We can be able to easily understand the concept in each and every manner. Okay, vector we denoted as an arrow mark on the top of the function. Vector point function, if for every point that corresponds a vector f vector equals f1 x comma y comma z into I vector plus f2 x comma y comma z j vector plus f3 x comma y comma z k vector, then f vector is a vector point function. The given f vector is considered to be as a vector point function. There will be considered splitting at a point as f1, f2 and f3. Okay, then f vector is a vector point function. We are going to take an example for this. This is the definition for vector point function. Now we are going to take example. Velocity of a fluid has different magnitude and direction at different points. The velocity of a fluid is called an f vector at a different point is x comma y comma z. So this is a vector and a scalar point function.